Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy name, username, how to copy username on TikTok, whether if you want to copy your other people username or whether it's your. It's very easy. We have to just go to the TikTok and so let me just go back and I will show you. Once you go to the home and if you just scroll and if you want to copy somebody, username. So for example, I just want to copy this this account username, right? So I will just click on the name. Once I go to the name, this is a username, right? So if I just click on this, it will get automatically copied. You can see that username copied. In this way, you will able to copy any account username, right? It's very easy. By the way, if you want to copy your username, just go to the profile, right? And here, this is my username. So I will just click and hold and you can see that username copied. So in both the ways, it's very easy and it's exactly similar. So if you found this video very useful, if it's great, then make sure to subscribe this video. See you guys in the next video. Take care.